I'm cleaning the greenhouse because it looks to stay. It's got algae all over the inside. It's got a nice. Richard put this up. He moved on, and I had his plot. He kindly left me the greenhouse and so on, and he put this up. A very neat and tidy gardener. Some really good ideas. But this plastic, you can hear it there. It's not the strongest in the world. You do see panels flying all over allotments all over the country. He came up with a nice solution, which is to put that green sort of builder's netting, fix it so it goes across the top and sort of holds it, sort of knocks out some of the wind power and holds it all together, which is a really nice technique. Unfortunately, light has degraded the netting. It harboured algae underneath, so it all needs a good clean. I'm replacing the green netting. I've got a load of green netting I can use, brand new stuff. So let's get on with that now. Oh, it's looking a lot fresher, nice. Well, it's not a spring clean, it's not even a late winter clean, but it's looking fresher, and I sort of regret having to put the green netting over the top to protect it, but it's I've got a feeling all those pains will fly away if I don't. They've done good service over the last couple of years, and there's not been the slightest hint of failure in the wind and gales we've had, so I'm going to put a new bit of netting over the top, sadly. That's the old netting that was on the greenhouse, and there's the new. Look at the difference in colour. It's really fresh and new. I'm pleased with that. That's yeah, 3.5 hours later, but I'm pleased with that. That looks a lot fresher and nicer. I'm putting together some staging for one of the greenhouses. This one's slightly different from the one I got at home. I thought it would be exactly the same, but there's nuts. It's a bit like parts of the greenhouse. You put your bolt in a bit where it can't turn here, and on the other end, and pop it in underneath, and then screw it up with a nut. I'm not convinced it's going to stay together for very long, but I'm going to give it a go. It's a quality brand. What is it? Balls. I got this half price, and I think the reason I got this half price was it's not quite what it was advertised. I think it's missing the second tier, but never mind, it will do. I just want a table in the greenhouse. So this is so you put the bolts, you slide it in like so. Let me try, like so. like that. And then you put whatever you're bolting it to. And then you put the nut on. And that hold it in place. Quite a neat trick. Bit of engineering. It's the moment of truth. Does it all fall apart? A bit wobbly. I think if it had a second tier, I think it would be okay, but it's in a greenhouse, so it'll be shaded from the wind. Don't know about that. Let's give it a whirl. Let's take it up to the greenhouse. Does it fit through the door? Oh, just. Ooh. Good fit. Ish.
Getting the maximum out of the light.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, they're looking quite tall.
Yeah, some are up, but one of them's looped over. But if I take the seed off of the head off of it, perhaps.
Oh, you're a perfectionist. That's what you are.
What I might do is see if I can prop him up a bit in the soil.
Come on, focus, damn you. There we go.
Another
Oh,
one
look at those
coming up.
beauties. Yeah. Yeah, they're bigger than mine.
So I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 now. 13 seeds.
I've got 5.
Have you?
Yeah. Well, I've got 4 more that are just sort of maybe might possibly survive. It was just too hot.
Just a bit too warm.
Yeah, I had it on the radiator, and
I'm going to just put a bit of water in. But as they say, don't ever water from the top.
yeah, that's good. Yeah, it's good.
Water to be low, because then it'll stop them rotting. So,
Oh, you're watering into the tray.
yeah, never water the. I've got corrugated cardboard down there.
Yeah.
So
Soak it up.
Soak it up a bit. And but they say you should never. That's what he said. Never water. Got a true one with a 2, 3. Their true leaves are coming now as well.
Right, you're showing off now.
So it's even better, isn't it? That's what you want, really, the true leaf, isn't it? Oh, that's my son ringing.
My SD card is running out of minutes. See in a bit. I'm running out of minutes on the SD card, so I'll leave it at that. I've still got about an hour's worth of daylight, and I'm insulating one of the greenhouses with bubble wrap. I'll show you that tomorrow. All right, see you another time. Ta-da.